guys, this is Miss Ross. So we are on, this is Fantastic Five. This is week 3, practice 1. All right. On Friday, this many tickets were sold. On Saturday, this many tickets were sold. On Sunday, 3,000 fewer than on Saturday were sold. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw 3 lines and we're going to make it Friday is here, Saturday is here, Sunday is here. All right, so we're going to fill in our information. On Friday, 11,930. So, right, 11,930 in that block, cross it off. Saturday, this many tickets were sold, so it's 15,392. Sunday, on Sunday, 3,000 fewer were sold than on Saturday. So you have to take Saturday and subtract 3,000 from it. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to write 15,392 minus 3,000 to get that amount. Well, this is some easy subtraction. So I've got 2, 9, 3, 2, 1. All right, so on Sunday, it was 12,392. Now the question says, what was the total number of tickets sold for the concert? So you have to take Friday, Saturday, and Sunday and add them together. So 11,930, 15,392, then 12,392, and let's add them together. 2 plus 2 is 4. 9 plus 9 is 18, 19, 20, 21. Leave the 1, carry the 2. 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 6 more is 17, carry the 1. This is 7, 8, 9, and then add the 3 ones together. So your answer should be 39,714. All right. Here we go. Which number is a multiple of 7 and a factor of 42? So multiples, they grow. Remember we talked about the multiple monster. Multiples grow, and factors, remember the factor ninja, factors get chopped. They get chopped up into smaller pieces, okay? All right, so let's do the multiples of 7 first. 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 4 is 28, 7 times 5 is 35, 7 times 6 is 42, 7 times 7 is 49, and let's just stop there because none of these are bigger than that, okay? All right, now it says we also have to find the factors of 42, so I like to make a rainbow. So 1 always goes with 42 and go over. All right. Is 2 a factor? Well, of course 2 is a factor because it ends in an even number. So what number times 2 will give you 42? Well, that's 21. 2 and 21. All right. Well, is 3 a factor of 42? Well, I think so, but let's just check. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to take 42, and I'm going to divide it by 3 to see if 3 is a factor of 42. 3 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract, you get a 1, bring down the 2. 3 goes into 12, 4 times. Look at there. 3 is a factor of it because we just found out that 42 divided by 3 was 14. So that means that 3 times 14 is 42. Then we've got 4. 4 will not work. 5 will not work because it doesn't end in 5 or 0. 6 will work because 6 and 7 make 42, and that's all of them. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're looking for which number here is in both of these lists. Let's start with 49. Is 49 in both lists? 49 is just a multiple. It is not a factor. All right, is 6 in both lists? Well, 6 can't possibly be a multiple of 7. It's smaller. That's not it. All right, 35. 35 is a multiple, but 35 is not a factor of 42. But 14 is a multiple and it is a factor. So there is our answer. All right, here we go. A machine is used to make string. In its first hour, it made 419,203 feet of string. There is still 129,203 feet of string left to be made. How much string, rounded to the nearest thousand, ooh, that looks important, will the machine produce in all? So if you're looking for an in all, you're looking for a total number. So let's add. I've got 419,203, and I'm going to add 129,203 to it. All right, now 3 plus 3 is 6, 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 2 is 4, 9 plus 9 is 18, leave the 8, carry the 1. This is 4 and 5, put your comma in. And now that's the total of all the string, okay, because you already had some, and then there's this much to be left to be made. So this is how much there will be in all. You need to underline the thousands place because you are going to round this. And look next door. The 4 will not make the 8 grow, so it's 548,000, and everything else is a 0. All right, next one. Nathan ordered 12 pizzas for the party. After the party, there were 1 7/10 pizzas left. How much was eaten? Oh, I think I know what happened. Remember how yesterday we marked out that floating 1/10? Well, I know where it floated from. It floated from here because 12 is equal to 12 and 0/10. I don't know how in the world that floated over there, but okay, that's not really a problem. Okay, so if this is what they started with and this is what was left, you have to subtract to figure out what was eaten. So take 12 and you're going to put 1 7/10 underneath it. Now remember, you got nothing in your wallet here. You got 0/10 here. All right. So borrow from Big Mama. Big Mama, can I borrow some money? Sure, baby. And she gives you a whole. So she gives you 10/10. You had 0/10, and she gives you 10/10 to go with it, a whole, which gives you 10/10. Now you can subtract. 10/10 minus 7/10 is 3/10. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 and 3/10. All right, here we go. Essence biked 6/7 of a mile on Monday. On Tuesday, she biked 4 times that amount. What is the distance that she biked on Tuesday? So you have to take 6/7 and you have to multiply it by 4. Remember, you are not multiplying by 4/4, you're multiplying by 4. So you have to put a 1 under the 4, okay? All right, so 4 divided by 1 gives you 4, and that is equal to 4. If you put a 4 under here, 4 divided by 4 is 1, and it didn't ask you 1 times that amount, it asked you 4 times that amount. All right, so let's multiply. 6 times 4 is 24, 7 times 1 is 7. Now we have a gigantic, big-headed, improper fraction. Fix it. Divide 24 by 7. When you do so, 7 goes into 24 3 times. Multiply back, you get 21, and subtract, you get a 3. Then you are going to start at the top, go around the clock. So your whole number is 3 and 3 out of 7. All right, now, but the question says, what 2 whole numbers is this amount between? Well, again, if I had a ruler, let me turn it the right way. If I had a ruler, where would 3 and 3/7 be? Well, 3/7 is a little less than half. So 3 and 3/7 would be about a little bit less than 3 1/2. Okay, that would be about where 3 and 3/7 is. So what 2 whole numbers is it in between? Well, it's between 3 and 4. Okay, so your answer is 3 and 4. That's your answer. It's between 3 and 4. All right. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Be sweet. Get all your work done. Bye.